Are your insides out of whack? Have you recently been on an antibiotic? Is your skin and mood generally out of whack? Probiotics may be just what you need to rebalance your insides. What are probiotics? They're friendly bacteria that normally live in our gut. They help us improve mood, nutrient absorption, and immune function, all the while deterring pathogenic overgrowth. They commonly come in capsule or powdered form, and to a lesser extent liquids. The dosage varies considerably when selecting a product, so it's important to deal with a natural healthcare professional knowledgeable about this. What you would give your infant or toddler versus an adult or even a senior vary considerably. While I don't discourage the use of food for probiotic intake, common dosages of probiotics are in the 50 to 100 billion range for serious issues, so we're certainly not going to consume 50 to 100 cups of yogurt, as an example. And remember to be good to your insides. You're worth it.